Welcome back to Next Gen Drive, where we bring you the future of mobility today. In this video, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Audi A6 e-tron, a car that doesn't just carry the Audi badge but redefines what a luxury electric sedan should feel like. Audi has made a bold move with the e-tron lineup, and the A6 e-tron sits at the heart of it, merging design, performance, and innovation into one complete package. Let's start with the exterior, because the first impression of the 2026 A6 e-tron is absolutely breathtaking. It's sleek, futuristic, and unmistakably Audi. The front end is dominated by reimagined single-frame grille, but unlike the combustion A6 models, it's sealed off and more aerodynamic. Instead of needing to cool a gasoline engine, it's optimized for airflow, which gives the car a smooth yet aggressive stance. The grille is flanked by ultra-thin, digital matrix LED headlights that look like they've been carved straight out of science fiction. Audi has even incorporated customizable light signatures, so the A6 e-tron can greet you with its own unique lighting sequence every time you unlock it. From the side, the A6 e-tron is pure elegance. The long, coupe-like roofline flows seamlessly into the rear, giving it that Grand Tour vibe, while still being a practical four-door sedan. The flush door handles pop out electronically, adding both functionality and a futuristic feel. The sculpted body lines aren't just for looks. They're designed to optimize aerodynamics, contributing to a drag coefficient of just 0.22, which is astonishing for a car of this size. Sitting on massive 21-inch aero-optimized wheels, the car looks like it's in motion even when parked. It's low, wide, and athletic, exactly what you'd expect from Audi's design philosophy, but evolved for the EV era. Moving to the rear, Audi has gone all out with a full-width OLED light bar that spans across the tailgate. It's not just a taillight, it's an intelligent display with customizable animations and high visibility. The sloping rear window and integrated diffuser make it look sporty yet refined. It's a design that feels premium, futuristic, and practical all at once. Now, let's talk performance, because this is where the A6 e-tron really shines. Built on the Premium Platform Electric, or PPE architecture, it shares DNA with the Porsche Macan EV. That means performance isn't just a bonus, it's baked into the core of this car. The A6 e-tron will be offered in multiple powertrain options, starting with rear-wheel drive variants and scaling up to the more powerful dual-motor Quattro models. In its top Quattro configuration, you're looking at around 470 horsepower and over 600 Nm of torque. That translates to a blistering 0 to 60 time of under 4 seconds. For a large luxury sedan, those numbers are nothing short of remarkable. But it's not just about straight-line speed. The A6 e-tron features adaptive air suspension and rear-wheel steering, giving it the agility of a much smaller car. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling tight city streets, the car feels planted, responsive, and incredibly smooth. Range anxiety? Forget about it. Thanks to a 100 kWh battery pack and that highly efficient aerodynamic design, the A6 e-tron delivers over 400 miles on a single charge under the WLTP cycle. Even in real-world conditions, you can expect impressive endurance. And when you do need to charge, Audi's 800-volt architecture means ultra-fast DC charging at up to 270 kilowatts. That takes you from 5 to 80% in just about 25 minutes. This makes long-distance travel not only possible but convenient. Audi has also worked hard on efficiency technologies. With regenerative braking systems that adapt to your driving style, the car maximizes range without you even realizing it. The software integration with Audi's navigation system also helps plan charging stops intelligently, ensuring you always know when and where to recharge. Now stepping inside, the 2026 A6 e-tron doesn't just feel like a car. It feels like stepping into a digital lounge. Audi has pushed the boundaries of technology and minimalism with a cabin that's both luxurious and forward-thinking. The first thing you notice is the massive wraparound OLED display that stretches across the dashboard, seamlessly integrating the driver's display, infotainment system, and even a passenger's side screen for entertainment. It's crisp, fast, and intuitive. Materials are top-notch, with sustainable leathers, recycled fabrics, and premium finishes that feel every bit as luxurious as Audi's flagship sedans. The ambient lighting system is customizable and immersive, creating the right mood whether you're driving during the day or cruising at night. Space is generous, thanks to the flat EV platform that eliminates the traditional transmission tunnel. Rear passengers get plenty of legroom, and the sloping roofline doesn't compromise headroom as much as you'd expect. Audi has managed to strike a perfect balance between sporty design and everyday comfort. One of the standout features inside is the augmented reality head-up display, projecting key information like speed, navigation, and even lane guidance directly onto the windshield in real time. It feels futuristic but highly practical. Combine that with Audi's advanced driver assistance systems, and you've got a car that's not only fun to drive but also incredibly safe and stress-free. The 2026 Audi A6 e-tron isn't just another electric car. It's a statement of intent from Audi, showing how luxury, performance, and sustainability can come together without compromise. From its aerodynamic, futuristic exterior to its powerful performance and tech-forward interior, this car sets a new standard in the premium EV market. So, is the A6 e-tron worth the hype? Absolutely. It's not just competing with other electric sedans, it's redefining what a luxury sedan should be in the electric era. Whether you care about design, performance, or cutting-edge technology, the A6 e-tron checks every box. This has been Next Gen Drive, giving you the latest insights into the cars shaping the future. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Audi A6 e-tron, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and let us know in the comments, would you pick this futuristic Audi over the competition?